Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the tools and tips that make your online journey a breeze. Today, I've got something game-changing to share with you. Wealthy Affiliates website structure and organization feature. If you're serious about growing your online business, Wealthy Affiliate Hubs is your secret weapon. It's a suite of tools, training, and support designed to turbocharge your success. With advanced dashboards, it's like having everything you need at your fingertips, from training to milestones, niche research, and more. But hold on, the real gem here is the website structure and organization feature. Imagine having an immediate framework of 10 categories and 120 content ideas tailored to your niche. Whether you're into meditation like me or something else, this feature is your content creation dream. I've used this feature personally, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. You get 120 blog post ideas right off the bat. And the best part, you can add more as your creative juices flow. Paired with Jaxi, you've got a winning combo for SEO magic and AI rating. And with AI writing tools, you'll be creating content in minutes that used to take hours. In a nutshell, this feature not only streamlines your content creation process, but sets you up for success with a well-organized and user-friendly website. And guess what? It's not just me. Countless others are unlocking their online potential with Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. So, are you ready to elevate your online presence? Click on the link in the description below to join Wealthy Affiliate and unlock the full potential of the website structure and organization feature. Your journey to online success starts here. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in, amazing folks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, happy creating and happy growing. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.